I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back.
Woohoo! Yeah, you guys, so the cat's out of the bag and the new acrylic line is called Nailmate. How freaking exciting, like seriously, we are so excited and cannot wait to drop the full system. But in the meantime, we'll be dropping little things. We've got the brush, we have nail forms, and we'll have other little bits in between before the full line of acrylic drops, because we just sort of like want to give you guys a taste of what is coming. Honestly, it's gonna be bomb. But yeah, I thought I'd introduce that in the beginning of this video so you guys can get down with the team of Glitter Planet, you know, and just like get the great news from me, because yeah, I'm just so freaking excited. So let's get back to this video. Today's video, I am going to be going ahead and showing you guys, check out that brush. PS, just saying, Hollow is alive. This isn't the final brush either, just saying. This is one of the samples and it is slightly different to what I have here, the print and things like that, and also just the application of Hollow. But yeah, it's honestly bomb. Back to the video again. So today I am showing you how I did the dragon nail, and it's not a full tutorial because I didn't really film it. Honestly, this took so freaking long, including like the setup, doing the nails, doing the makeup, photographing the nails, editing, everything like that. I just was not in the mood to even film. I just wanted to crack on, so I decided to film little snippets and add some like pictures in there for you guys, so hopefully you still appreciate it. So I've applied my nail forms, and these are from glitterplanetuk.com. They are the new Nailmate X Glitter Planet nail forms. So they are bomb, as you guys can see. I absolutely love them. And then I'm coming in with our acrylic in this nude colour. It is absolutely stunning. I freaking love it. I haven't got any names for the colours as of yet. We need to go through all of that and work things out. But this colour is life. I think it's one of my favourite out of the covers that we will be bringing to you guys. So I hope you are super excited, because honestly, I am so excited. So I'm sculpting an extra long nail bed because this nail is actually going to reach all the way to the end of this form as much as possible. And this is, by the way guys, the first time that I am trying this style of nail. I really wanted to push myself out of my comfort zone, and I knew that for the Pro Beauty Nail Championships that you would receive some feedback from the judges. So I thought, why the heck not? I might as well push myself as far as I can with this set kind of thing, and then get some feedback and learn from it, rather than doing something that I'm comfortable with and just probably getting feedback that I already kind of knew, if you know what I'm saying. So yes, I've gone in, I've applied what's going to be the actual smile line of my nail bed, and I'm doing the nail bed in I think it's three parts, yeah, because it is so long. And you just want to make sure that you are keeping everything in place, especially when doing competitions nails. Obviously this is my first competition, so I am learning along the way, but it was freaking bomb. It was so exciting. Pro Beauty was amazing and I cannot wait to do it again. Okay, so now I've finished applying the nail bed and extended it out to where I want it, and the acrylic has set. I'm coming in with the nail files, and these are the 180 grit files from glitterplanetuk.com. They come in a packet of 5 and they are super great value for money, high quality and long lasting. I absolutely love these files, and anyone that uses them pretty much stays the same. So I'm coming in and I'm just defining the sides of that nail bed. We want everything to be as crisp as possible, and we just want everything to flow really nicely and make sure that everything is in line and we don't have any, what's the word? Sort of like if you have a divot or an area on that nude that dips slightly or dips in, you're going to get an uneven smile, and you don't want that, especially for a competition nail. You want everything to be on point and on fire. Okay, so that is exactly what I made sure to do. So following the guides on my nail form, I'm coming in with various acrylic colors. This one is a Tiffany kind of turquoisey mint blue green. I know, such a great description for this color. And it's one that I actually made up myself and mixed. I think it's absolutely stunning. So I'm starting off with that, making sure to keep it as much as possible to the shape that I want. Because of this style of free edge, like the dragon wing, you can't really do too much shaping. You can come in with your EFILE to sort of like refine the shape, but it is quite difficult. So you want to get the shape as near as possible as the final shape that you want. As you can see, this video skips in and out of different places. So that was me just applying the first little bit there, and then I obviously went and continued applying the rest of the colours. So we've got a deeper turquoise, a dark purple, a lilac, and then like a really deep navy blue purple kind of colour. And once I've done that, I'm coming in with the flakes and just applying those because I wanted a really mystical, magical feel to this set because that was the theme. So now we're jumping back to another nail and starting again. So I'm going to show you how I do one full side, and then you guys can see that, and then I'll do the other side off of camera because it's obviously just the same thing but on the other side. So I'll let you guys go ahead and watch that, and then I'll be right back. Also, everything will be linked down below in the description box for you guys. At the minute I've got a bit of a backlog of videos that haven't been like uploaded to YouTube yet because 1, some products aren't released, 2, we're not ready to sort of like share them with you guys. I know, super secret. And 3, I am just super busy, so trying to get on top of everything. I kind of have no idea when videos are going up, but I'm preparing and getting all the voiceovers done, so hopefully you guys for the next like maybe month or so don't mind things being a little bit mixed up, because that is exactly what it's going to be. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch the rest of this and then I'll be back later on in the video. Bye! Okay, so I went ahead and did the same and sculpted the other side of the dragon wing. I filed and refined using my EFILE and my hand file, and I've come in with some black acrylic paint and just applied some abstract details on there, some lines, and give the wings some sort of like veins and made them have some more detail. I've sponged on through some netting, some acrylic paint as well, just to add a little bit of texture. Although it's not actually textured, it just gives a little more dimension and what's the word? A little bit more something something, okay? And then I'm coming in with some Swarovski crystals, some little hoops, some metal balls. I can't even remember what they're called. I cannot remember for the life of me. And also this little pointy thing because it looked bomb. And once I finished applying lots of little like decorations and caviar beads, I guess you could call them, I came in with top coat and made sure to top coat really nicely and evenly. You want a nice layer, but you don't want it to bulk up that nail, so make sure you apply it thick but not too thick where it's starting to warp the shape of your nail. Look how gorgeous. So I cured that in the light, applied a small amount of cuticle oil, and this was the final result. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it wasn't a full tutorial. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and also thank you to those that voted for me, because I did actually win 3rd place with my photographic nail art entry for Pro Beauty 2018, so I'm super proud. And yeah, just thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And always remember, guys, that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.